Imagine waking up tomorrow and never having to work for money again. No alarm clocks, no office politics, no rush hour. Just freedom to live life on your own terms. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream. It's called FIRE, Financial Independence Retire Early. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a life-changing roadmap that can help you get there, even if you're starting from zero. So grab a notebook because this plan might just change your life forever. Step 1. Master the 50-30-20 rule. The journey to financial freedom begins with one powerful habit: living below your means. Not just budgeting, but truly mastering your money. Here's a simple framework that will change how you think about every dollar you earn. 50% for essentials, rent, groceries, bills, insurance. 30% for lifestyle, fun, entertainment, travel. 20% for savings and investments, your freedom fund. But if you want to retire early, 20% isn't enough. This rule is just the foundation. The real magic happens when you flip the formula. Step 2. Supercharge your savings rate. Want to know the real secret to retiring early? It's not how much you earn, it's how much you keep. While most people save just 10 to 15%, FIRE enthusiasts aim for 40%, 50%, even 70% of their income. How? By cutting lifestyle inflation, that silent killer of wealth. Just because you got a raise doesn't mean you need a new car. Every subscription you cancel, every meal you cook at home, every purchase you delay, brings you one step closer to freedom. Small sacrifices today create massive options tomorrow. Step 3. Invest like your life depends on it, because it does. Saving money is great, but if it just sits in a bank account, it's dying a slow death thanks to inflation. To escape the rat race, your money needs to work harder than you do. Here's how. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. Simple, diversified, and powerful. Consider real estate. Properties that generate passive income while appreciating in value. Explore side businesses or digital assets, YouTube channels, ebooks, online courses that earn while you sleep. Investing is how ordinary people create extraordinary freedom. Step 4. Find your FIRE number. Now comes the fun part, setting your freedom goal. This number is your financial finish line. Here's the simple formula. Your annual living expenses x 25 are your FIRE number. If you spend $40,000 a year, you need $1 million invested. Why 25x? Because using the 4% rule, you can safely withdraw that amount each year, and your money should last forever. Knowing this number gives you clarity, focus, and motivation. Step 5. Outsmart lifestyle creep. As your income grows, so will the temptation to upgrade your life. New car, nicer apartment, designer clothes. But every upgrade delays your freedom. Lifestyle creep is the enemy of FIRE. Instead, invest every bonus. Save every raise. Treat every extra dollar like rocket fuel for your future. The less you need to feel happy, the faster you can escape the system. Step 6. Stay the course. This journey isn't easy. It takes discipline, consistency, and time. You'll face doubts. You'll face judgment. People won't understand why you're not living it up. But you're not chasing stuff, you're chasing freedom. And that's worth every sacrifice. Here's what you need to remember. Stay focused on your FIRE number. Track your net worth. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Because one day you'll wake up and realize you're free. Bonus: lean FIRE versus fat FIRE. Not all FIRE paths are the same. Some people want lean FIRE, minimal living, early retirement on a tight budget. Others aim for fat FIRE, retiring early but still enjoying the luxuries of life. There's no right answer, only your answer. Decide the kind of life you want, and design your FIRE plan accordingly. Final thoughts. A personal message. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. You don't need to be a genius or a stock market expert. You just need a clear goal, a smart strategy, and the discipline to follow through. Financial freedom is not reserved for the lucky few. It's for the ones who plan, who persist, and who prioritize freedom over fleeting pleasures. Start today, not tomorrow, not someday, today. Because every dollar you save, every investment you make, every choice you delay, it's all leading you to one thing: a life where you own your time. And isn't that the ultimate luxury? Call to action. So, what's your FIRE number? Drop it in the comments, and let's inspire others to start their journey too. If you found this video valuable, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because this is just the beginning of your financial freedom journey. Let's build wealth. Let's break free. Let's live life on our terms. See you in the next one.